This machine is a special welding equipment for the production of reinforced concrete drainage pipe skeleton, suitable for welding socket, flat-mouth steel skeleton, is one of the main equipment for the production of reinforced concrete drainage pipe. The machine consists of 4 transmission systems, namely the main rotation, the pushing plate, the moving of the expanding mechanism, and the moving of the welding mechanism, which are driven by their own independent motors. The frequency conversion proportional speed regulation system ensures that the pitch of the skeleton and the angle of the socket do not change with the adjustment of the welding speed. Adjusting the motor speed ratio can change the ring pitch and the angle of the socket, adjust the position of the welding platform and welding mechanism on the big plate to weld the steel skeleton of the drainage pipe of different specifications. It has been proved by the majority of users that the machine has stable performance, reliable, accurate diameter reduction, fast, easy operation, high production efficiency, and is the most advanced model in the domestic steel skeleton hobbing welding machine.